She looks at the radar right now at this hour. It seems like the rain is thinning out in some spots.
Yeah, you know, we're still dealing with some wet weather, and that'll be the case through the end of the morning, especially out in Narragansett. It's been light to moderate rain falling. We're still seeing that same trend here this morning as we finish out the morning commute. Most of Rhode Island, southeastern Massachusetts seeing at least some light rain, a little bit heavier over New Bedford and now just to the west of 95. So western Kent County and Coventry, where you had a thunderstorm early this morning, you've got some more moderate rain falling. Looking back to the west, you can see scattered showers stretch all the way back through western Massachusetts. This is all associated with a cold front that's working its way south. So the steadiest of the rain moving through now through at least early afternoon, and then going to be seeing that tend to taper a little bit. And you can see that trend with our Futurecast at noon today. In the afternoon and evening, still got to keep an eye out. Those after school sports may have some interruptions in a few communities as we track scattered or isolated thunderstorms and showers. By tonight, that risk is diminishing. We're back to clear skies when you wake up on Friday morning. We're going to keep the threat tracker in the green for today. Even though we're seeing the rainfall this morning and the threat of an isolated thunderstorm, there's nothing severe. The biggest concern has been some downpours embedded within any of the heavier showers. Friday into Saturday, threat tracker's low, but of course we got our eye on Hermine. The threat's high down in the Florida panhandle and the northern part of the Sunshine State, where this tropical storm has strengthened and intensified overnight. It's also picked up speed, moving to the north-northeast now at 12 miles per hour, on its way to becoming a minimal Category 1 hurricane about 195 miles south of Apalachicola, Florida. As we look at the satellite imagery, the bigger view here shows most of the convection, the thunderstorms off to the east of the center of this storm. We're looking at hurricane warnings up across parts of Florida between Tampa and Tallahassee. We've got a Category 1 hurricane expected as it makes landfall tonight in Florida. It'll be overland for a time through the southeastern United States. They could see some heavy rain and flooding along with gusty winds, but it'll be weakening as it moves over Georgia, South Carolina, and North Carolina. Then it moves back into the ocean, and from there it may strengthen a little bit. It could also lose some of its tropical characteristics. Where it goes, and you can see the forecast here has it almost stalling over the area for the end of the weekend, and Labor Day, even into Monday night, Tuesday morning, could still be sitting south of Long Island. So impacts expected in terms of the rough surf and rip current risk at our beaches. That's a guarantee for the Labor Day weekend, especially Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. What's not as much of a guarantee is the rainfall. This is just one computer model's take, so don't take this as written in stone. But notice we're dry on Saturday, some high clouds moving in ahead of the storm. Even Sunday morning may start off dry. We could see, depending on the track, some tropical showers move in Sunday into Labor Day on Monday. Again, there is still the potential that all of the rain and the winds from this stay to our south. So you don't need to cancel barbecues, but you do need to keep an eye on the forecast for this time frame, especially later Sunday and Monday. Outside right now in Warwick, it's a damp 70 degrees. We have light winds and westerly 68, cooler in Tiverton this morning at 72. And about 70 at Rhode Island College right now. We'll head up to about 77 for the high temperature for today. A lot of clouds around and those scattered showers and storms. We're dry Friday and Saturday. A fall feel takes over, windows open kind of weather, mid and upper 70s, overnight lows in the upper 50s. And then we're keeping an eye again on that Sunday and Monday time frame. And